Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel and welcome to Tai Chi Connection, the series where we look at the movements between the movements. All right. Now for today's video, we're going to be focusing on the transition between parting the wild horse's mane into a brush knee technique. Okay. Now the one thing I really want you to pay attention to here is the timing of the hands and feet, because we do move them in different positions, but we have to match that timing together. Okay. So let's get to work. The first thing we're going to do is start from parting the wild horse's mane, and then we're going to focus on moving forward into a brush knee position, or a twist step brush knee. Now, the very first thing I want to do is as I shift back, I'm going to have this up and down. As this up and down happens, I want to make sure that my elbows stay downward, and I want to shift so that I can pivot. Okay? So from here, shift back, up and down. This hand only has to make it up to shoulder level, so they will pass. But as I get to here, my back hand or my front hand is going to drop and continue the drop. As I shift back, that allows the weight of the body to pivot the foot with the hip. That pivot will turn my upper body, allowing this arm to drop back even more. So I'm not really trying to let my hand go behind my body just by the arm itself. I'm turning the hip to allow the arm to turn, okay, and move freely. Then, of course, once I step up to that balanced position, hand and foot together, okay? So as the fingertips reach towards the ear, that's when I bring in that back foot balance position, and then I can extend the leg out from there and finish the technique. Okay, so again, starting from our parting the wild horse's mane, I'm going to shift back, raise that hand up, and turn the hip, hand and foot together, and then of course the step out and finish the technique. Okay? Pay close attention to how your hip will allow that arm to drop back. And of course, the timing of everything. Even though once the hands do the switch and this hand comes up, I don't want to lose energy in this arm as I'm focusing on this one. I don't want to let everything just die off. Think of it as you're pushing something out of the way, or you're holding a door open as you do this so that you can step up, finish clearing the door, and then do your push, okay? But if you have no energy in this front arm, by the time you come back here, it'll drop again. And that's not what we want, okay? A nice simple thing to look at, but it's a lot to pay attention to, all right? So, if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like down below. Also, let me know if you have any questions on this. The comments are always open and I reply to them as fast as I can. And otherwise, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe. Till next time, this is Sifu Kuttel.
Bam.